This is a COVID-19 mask that I saw floating around online. I thought I'd 3D print one myself and just take you along for the journey. Let's have a look. Time to print some COVID-19 masks. Got these from Thingiverse. See how they go. See you in 6 hours. So the slicer file said 6.5 hours, then ended up taking 8.5, but not bad, all things considered. Looks pretty cool. You can see that it comes together nicely. There's still the rafting on there, and you can see a little bit of stringing. You compare it to the original file that's shown in the slicer. Came out pretty cool. Looks good. Alright, so now let's clean it up a little bit. You'll see I get my filing tools and things like that to make it nice and smooth. For the fit here, and yep, goes nicely. Okay, I got to adjust the goggles a little bit, but that's all right. You can see it does need some paint to get some you can see some contrast on there. I went with red for the interior just because I think that looks cool, and then for the outside plate you can see I got the gray. I think it just has a nice little touch and it'll look pretty good. Nicely, of course, and well, let's get to the next stage and put in the filters and try again. Came out pretty good. This way I can talk pretty well and the filter is in. So there you go, that's the result. 6-hour print. Came out alright. 59 grams of material used, which is not much. It's like a 50-cent print. Just need the bottom straps. So it came out pretty good. Just to close up there so you can have a nice squiz at how it seems. You can kind of see the lines between because it wasn't a 100% infill. Next I wanted to do a 75% scaled version for kids. You can see I went with the red grill here. I think it still looks really cool, so we went with that. And then for the outside grill we've got the baby blue. I think that'll be really cute and it'll suit my son. We'll do a little side by side here so you can see the size comparison, and it came out pretty well. We tried it on and I'll show you a very fun bit of photos there that summarizes all of them, and he enjoyed having a breathe through it and trying it out. There you go, super cute. Hope you enjoyed. Wait till the next video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It lets us know that you want more of these videos, and it helps us create more, and then it helps the channel grow.